In this clip, let's talk about making a space, your home office, your own space. Of course, it's your own home, but a couple of things to think about. If you are having clients come into your home office, a little bit different, needs to be a bit more on the business side of things. But if this is just for you or for you and your husband or vice versa, make the space feel your own. In this case, this is a home office for both my husband and I. So we've opted to have a bit of my taste and a bit of his taste. So we have, a motorcycle racing picture up because he really likes it. We've got some baseball back here, but we've also got a little bit of touch of a feminine touch is what you might say, but things that I like too. So we've got flower arrangements. We've tried to make this room look a little bit very warm and kind of on the African side, you might say. So we put in some pots, some various pottery, but also pictures of you, your family, just to add some life. But whatever you do, make it your own, make it a space that you want to be in, because more often than not, it's a space that you definitely spend a lot of time in.